For this challenge, I'm going to be using these Marlin Kids color pencils, which go for literally nothing over 20 Rand, and putting them up against my Lyra Polycolor pencils, which I basically use in every single drawing ever. Before we get started, cue the dramatic intro. The biggest differences I can immediately see between these two is not only do the expensive ones have a much wider range of colors, but the Marlins don't have a white color pencil. This already puts them at a huge disadvantage because any artist knows that white color pencils are so essential to making realistic color pencil drawings. So to make things fair, I have added a white pencil from an equally cheap set of pencils that I have. Once I did my sketch, I got to work with my cheap set. Also, if you want to know how to draw this original drawing, I do have a video up if you're interested. I do have an old tutorial up if you want to watch that. But anyway, at the very end, I'm going to be doing the final reveal with both sides so you can see exactly how these two compare. Now for the other side with my expensive pencils. I will admit I did put a bit more effort and time into this side because, to be honest, I really don't want these sides to look anything alike, because not only will that mean that I've been using either really bad pencils or that I've just been wasting my money this whole time. Now for the final reveal. First we have our cheap pencil side, which I will say didn't perform too badly, but I will say those gel pens really did make the drawing look way better than it originally was. Next we have our expensive pencil side, which as always didn't disappoint. And finally we have the final reveal with both sides next to each other.